heartbeat, the tension builds, a harbinger of doom that the night would yield. When evil entered, the world was with eyes wide open, it cut like a notch. We stood frozen in disbelief as the light faded fast, leaving shadows beneath.
In 2014, a Paul Thomas Morrison III was charged with statutory rape in Hawkins County, Tennessee, while working as a court security officer. That was a state-level case, and it's a completely separate matter from this 2024 federal case we're discussing today. So, don't get those confused. They are distinct legal proceedings. Hey everyone, and welcome back to When Evil Entered. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and, frankly, a bit mysterious legal case that's been making ripples in the Eastern District of Tennessee, USA versus Paul Thomas Morrison III. That's right. Back in 2024, a motion was filed in the U.S. District Court for the Eastern District of Tennessee to seal the case against Paul Thomas Morrison III. And that motion was granted. This means that the specific charges and many details of the proceedings are not publicly accessible. The mysterious sealed case in Tennessee. Now, when we talk about researching legal cases, sometimes you hit a wall. And this is one of those times. We often look for public records, indictments, court filings, but in this particular instance, a significant portion of the information surrounding this 2024 federal case is, well, it's under wraps. Literally. The magistrate judge Jill E. McCook has sealed these records, which is very interesting. Case filed October 16th, 2024, and sealed on the 17th. Court date March 5th, 2025, but no updates posted. So, what does sealed mean for us, the curious public? It means we can confirm the case exists, that an indictment has been filed, but we can't tell you the exact nature of those charges. It's like a locked box in the courthouse, and only those directly involved or with a specific court order can open it. Now, why would a court seal a case? There are several legitimate reasons. It could be to protect witnesses, to safeguard an ongoing investigation, to maintain grand jury secrecy, or to keep sensitive information from public view. It's not necessarily sinister, but it definitely adds a layer of intrigue. Given the sealed nature of the 2024 federal case, we can only speculate based on common federal charges that are sometimes sealed. These could involve things like drug trafficking conspiracies, firearm offenses, or other serious federal crimes. But again, this is pure speculation due to the lack of public information for this specific case. And that, my friends, is the current update on USA v. Paul Thomas Morrison, III in the Eastern District of Tennessee. It's a prime example of how some areas of the legal system remain out of public view for important reasons. We'll definitely keep an eye on this one, and if any details become public, you know we'll be here to break them down for you. Hopefully this will be the missing piece of the puzzle. But we won't know until the case is unsealed or returns to court. Thanks for watching. I will be returning soon.